Hey everyone, Sebastian Garza Beacon Candle Company. Hope you're doing well. Two exciting things. First thing, we just landed a purchase order to go into 40 different Rally House locations across the country. 40 of them. That's pretty big for us. So that's the biggest order by far that we have received. The airports that we got into was a very big order for us, but this one's even bigger. And so that is what we've been working on the last few weeks. We fulfilled this. We got them out the door. Now I can share with the world. It's a test of 40 stores with the potential to go into 375 plus if we were to go nationwide with them. So we're super excited about this. We've been working on that the last couple of weeks, which leads me to part two. Anyone that's been following us or our journey for a while knows I've been working on building out this wholesale course to share with you all for quite some time. I was looking for that item to put kind of on our resume that was just like, yes, like these people are doing it themselves. They're not relying on Fair. They're not relying on marketplaces. They are doing it themselves. And I was just looking for that account that would help kind of solidify that, to be honest with you. But also, I needed the time. We have finally completed the course. You can go sign up for it right now on our website, igniteyourcraft.com/wholesale, or just go to Ignite Your Craft and you'll be able to, you'll find it there. I'm super excited to share this with the world. This is not teaching you an overview of wholesale. This is our framework, what I use. I am giving you wholesale terms and for you to be able to edit, make your own. I am going to give you my entire catalog, my wholesale catalog, for you to edit, from the line sheet to order forms to front to back. The entire thing will be editable, so you can actually literally just take my stuff out, put your stuff in. Super easy. I also give you all of my emails that I email to all of these different stores to get these accounts. And not only just the email, but the follow-up. The follow-up is 90% because majority of time people do not respond to the first email. It's all about the art of following up. And in this course, I teach you that. Also, just like anyone that has gone through my boot camp, you know, like that myself or Chad are there to help you any step of the way. If I build a course, I want to make sure you can get through it. So I will be with you along the way if you get this course and you get signed up, you get stuck somewhere, or if it's just not, if something's not working for you, I'll be there to help you out. So super excited to put this out into the world. Hopefully you're going to love it just as much as I loved building it. This is all like a text-based, it's not video-based. There's no videos that you need to do with wholesale. You need the text. You need the templates. You want my spreadsheet that I've created. You're going to want that. You're going to want my email templates. You're going to want my wholesale line sheet. You're going to want all that stuff so you can just plug and play with your business and get into those stores that you want. So that's my update. If you have any questions, reach out to me. If not, hopefully you'll love the course. Thank you so much. Take care.